A Whitby nursing home that had one of the worst COVID-19 outbreaks in the province is getting ready to shut its doors for good. Sunnycrest Nursing Home is beginning to wind down operations, closing for good this spring. In a statement to CityNews, Lakeridge Health, which had assumed temporary management of the hard-hit home, said it was closing because the temporary emergency license under which it was operating would expire in April. Lakeridge took over back in December of 2020. It was during the second wave of COVID-19 and the home had been brutally ravaged by the virus. 96% of residents had tested positive. An inspection report first reported by CityNews revealed widespread failures in the home, including improper use of PPE and hand hygiene, staffing down to less than 50%, and food and high-risk medication given up to 2 hours late. In March of 2021, when 34 lives were lost due to the outbreak, families of nursing home residents filed a $30 million lawsuit against the home for negligence, breach of contract, and more.
Proper infection prevention control wasn't there. Hearing that 4 toothbrushes would be in 1 cup, allowing ease of the disease to spread is great concern. And more could have been done. I'm glad that Lakeridge came in to take over the operation.
In its statement, Lakeridge Health said it will assist in relocating residents. Quote, in partnership with the Ministry of Long-Term Care and Home and Community Care Support Services Central East, we are working closely with residents and their families to find a suitable placement in our region. We have established a transition support team with Home and Community Care Support Services to ensure all residents are relocated to a home that is appropriate for their needs and in accordance with their preferences.
I think for those who lost loved ones in that outbreak that took 35 lives, this is part of the closure that they need. To see Sunnycrest shutting down, having these residents who still reside here moving into a new facility over in Ajax, and to receive top quality care, especially in these last years of their lives.
Lakeridge says Sunnycrest will remain open until it has found a new placement for every resident, and that support will also be given to staff as preparations for the home's closure get underway.